Hello and welcome to another update video about Aave. It's a coin that I so far have only covered for the channel members on the Signals channel and on the weekly TA updates. There are additional altcoins and more regularly altcoin updates for channel members if you're interested at all, but I decided to make a video for everybody about Aave as well because it is quite an interesting chart. Yeah, maybe quick video of where we are coming from the low here, the 18th of June low at around $45. We can count 5 waves to the upside, yeah, in what I would consider a wave 1. Yeah, so I count this as a diagonal pattern, by the way, so that is why we can have an overlap here between a wave 1 and a wave 4. That is possible. Now in this diagonal, yeah, we have wave 1. We had an increase which was quite substantial of around 150%. I think that is a bit more than what ETH did since the low. And then we, or is it? No, I think it's even, yeah, no, it's a bit more. And then we came down in 5 waves. So what does that mean? It is a similar chart to ETH at the moment, to Ethereum, very similar. It is a coin worth looking at, certainly from a chart point of view. I'm a technical analyst, so we're looking at these charts from a technical point of view. And what I currently see is, like many other coins we're doing, is something like an ABC structure. So basically in a wave B, you have 3 waves, ABC. I think this is currently playing out here. I did formulate for the channel members 3 target areas on this coin so far. We had the first one here, which was reached on the way down. Yeah, this was a reversal area. We touched it and we reversed. I then formulated the next one, which we also reversed from, moved down. And then I formulated here a few days ago a third one, which is this one, which I think or hope we get into. I think we can, certainly. I think this could grow a bit further, this wave C. So let's take a look at that. But at the moment, my view is that eventually, my view is that this was a wave 1 impulse at the moment and that this is a wave 2 correction. So here, you know, I expected to in the end go a bit lower. And currently I see that this here was a wave A because we had 5 waves. So this here should be a wave B because after 5 waves you would get a corrective move to the upside. So that only makes sense. And at the moment it is looking like that, A, B and C. And yeah, I mean, this could grow to something more bullish, absolutely. But at the moment I can't see that, and the whole structure of the chart just wouldn't suggest it at the moment. I mean, I can never rule anything out in these markets, but at the moment I would rather think we go a bit higher into this wave B area and then come down eventually. And from which point of view would we consider something more bullish? That would be if we get above $107.60. That is a move above the 78.6% fib level, would just suggest that this might not be a wave B anymore. Yeah, because if we get 5 waves down, this should be a zigzag pattern. And in a zigzag, the wave B would normally not go above the 78.6% fib level. Yeah, so we need to be on the we need to have that on the radar. As long as we don't go above that level, I would expect the price to move down eventually in a wave C. Here, ideally, I want to get it as low as possible. Yeah, we want to have some space. We need some space anyway for the wave C. So let's say we come down and do something. We only come down to the low of the wave A in some kind of a truncated zigzag. That would be the less likely point of view, the less likely scenario. I think we should get closer to the $60 level. Anybody who wants to trade this really could obviously wait until we reach here a lower level in that reversal area. That is actually the reversal area in the end for the wave 2, based on the Fibonacci retracements from that entire impulse to the high. So basically here, this target goes all the way down to the 78.6% fib level at $60.74 and starts at $81. So a move below $60.74 would, or $60 would, make the bullish count in general much less likely, because a wave 2 that drops below the 78.6% fib level is generally unreliable. Okay, so in the ideal scenario, we reverse in this area, which is between 95 and $103 or $104, move down, stay above $60. One possible strategy here is just to accumulate in this area, and obviously the more you're trading, especially with leverage, you'd be looking at an entry point as low as possible. Okay. And yeah, after that we should see a wave 3 to the upside, and I see Aave overall long term at around $2,000. That is really long term, yeah, but it is possible. It is possible. It would be an all-time high target. In the next wave, let's say we come down to $60, the next wave to the upside, the wave 3, should take us to at least $175. All right, and that's my update about Aave. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.